Okay, our last thing for factorising and factorisation of quadratic expressions, some little edge cases that might trip some of you up and might cost you a few marks, even though they're not that. They have all the same rules, everything else, there's nothing different going on, they just look a bit weird. So this is a fairly straightforward thing to factorise, you might think. Multiplies to 16, adds to 8. Well, 4 4s are 16, and 4 add 4 is 8. So you might want to write this down, which is fine, but it's not perfect because that is the same as that, and when the same thing multiplies itself, we've got notation for that. This is in fact a perfect square. Because it's the same bracket twice, it means it's this bracket squared. So this bracket squared is that. So this is an incomplete answer. It's fine, but this is perfect. Okay, this one will catch some of you out. It looks quadratic because it's got a squared in, but there isn't a constant over here. There's something missing. So in fact, the common factor here is just y. So y lots of y plus 9 gets you that. The other way to think of this is we're multiplying to get the 0, the no constant. So it's y plus 0, which means that it must be a 9 here. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong place. And 2 to go. Here, it looks like it's one of these catchy ones, but this is quadratic. This is truly quadratic because we've got a squared and a constant. They're the full distance apart. So, what multiplies to make negative 49 and adds to make, well, it's not there, so it's nothing, or adds to make no z, 0. So if it adds to make 0, it's got to be the same number, one positive, one negative, and luckily 49 is square. So we're going to get x plus 40 plus 7, and x take 7. The 7 sevens gets the 49, the positive negative gets you the negative, and 1 up, 1 down cancels out to 0 when you add them. This is called the difference of two squares. It's a very famous result. There's a subtraction, there are two squares, it's a difference of two squares. Finally, this is also a difference of two squares. 9a squared is what you get when you square 3a. So this will be 3a plus 5, 3a take 5. Just a peculiar edge case to pay attention to. I hope that is all right for you.